What up, all you stoners? Today I'm gonna do a quick review because I'm outside, of course. And anyways, the review is on these Bob Marley hemp papers. If I can find them, they're in my pocket. Ah, there they are. Bob Marley. They are pure hemp, as it says right there. Pure hemp Bob Marley papers. They are super long, and there's like 33 of them, and they're pretty cheap too. So I'm gonna give you guys a review real quick. They're pretty nice. They taste pretty good, actually. I mean, not actually, but they taste pretty good. Let's see. They burn pretty slow, actually. I'm taking a few hits and I can tell that it's burning pretty slow. And it lets off a nice little non-harsh smoke because it's like hemp going to hemp, you know, basically. But go out, buy some Bob Marley papers, represent, and I'll see you dick smokes later.